Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to back Learn and Grow with Ali. Today we are officially start our Python full course from absolutely beginner to advanced level. If you have a zero experience in coding, so this course is designed in simple, easy and clear English so everyone can learn easily this course. This complete series we will cover everything in Python step by step, the basics, data types, strings, loops, functions, OOPs, files handling project, mini applications. Every day we will learn one topics in one short video, clear and practically. By the end video of this course, we will able to build your own project, Python project, improve your skill and confident start your programming journey easily. So the topic is that, so let's begin with the today topics. What is Python? Before learning the language, is it important to understand what Python actually is? What is Python? Python is the high level, powerful and very easy to learn programming language. It was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. The best thing about Python is that simple and clear. Reading and writing Python code feel almost like writing English. This is why Python is perfect for beginners. It removes unnecessary complexity and helps you focus on understanding real programming concepts. Why Python is most popular? Python is one of the most popular programming language in the today world. But why is? Because it's simple and clear, beginner and friendly, used in almost every field. Her community supports thousands of ready-made libraries. With Python, you can do anything from small tasks to big, powerful applications. What is Python used for? So, where is Python used? Web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, game development, mobile apps, software engineers. Almost every modern technology today involved Python is some way. Who uses Python? Some of the biggest company in the world use Python every single day, like Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Netflix, NASA, Amazon. This clearly show how valuable in the Pythons is. Why should you learn Pythons? If you want to learn a future-proof skills, get better job opportunities, start freelancing, or build a career in technology, Python is the one of the best choice you can make. And the good news is Python is not hard. All you need is everyday work, and this course will guide you step by step. This was our first lesson. What is Python's? We learned what is Python, why it's most popular, and why you should learn it. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. In the next class, we will start with Python installation and VS codes step by steps. Thank you for watching. This is Ali from Learn and Grow with Ali. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.